like I met the one in a million at the.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. It's your girl Anne, and I'm back with another video. I hope everyone's having an amazing week so far. It is snowing, and it's been snowing. However, I do apologize for the lighting. Like I said, it's we've been getting quite a bit of snow on and off, so it's a bit dull and gloomy outside. However, guys, in today's video, I'll be styling and decorating my living/family room for the winter season. Just getting it nice and clean and cozying it up for the winter. So before I do all of that, what I like to do once in a while is take the cushion covers off and put them in the machine and just give them a nice washing. I like doing that once in a while because we do sit here a lot and I feel like the cushion covers do get dirty. So I love taking them off and just giving them a good washing in the washing machine. I'm also going to be switching out my accent pillow covers and also putting those in the wash. I'll be bringing back the 22 by 22 velvet because I love decorating with velvet pillow covers throughout the year. I feel like it just brings a little bit of elegance. It brings in that nice cozy vibe into your space. And I'll be switching out the black and gold ones for some other velvet ones and maybe adding in something a little different to bring in another warm and cozy sort of texture, because I love mixing my pillow covers. I love the sort of plain velvet ones, and then I just like to mix it with something that may have a pattern or that may have some texture, just to give, some interest and some coziness and, a nice vibe here in the sectional. But we're going to go ahead and do that, and then I'll be back to share what else we're getting up to here in the living room.
The house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Better way. Oh, way. Mom and dad's only daughter. Do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. Keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Can a nigga catch a break? Better way. Oh, working all day.
this. When I got we roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know what I want. When you turn me around, what I want. When the neighbors yell turn down, we keep it going. Like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like me. We know shine bright like royalty. We know stay keep a dignity and wine. So kind of your neck is stolen. You been waiting on me to solve it, solve it, solve it for me. And last weekend you had me thinking, oh, almost kidding, I lift my head up like bum bum bum. Roll it back then rotation. Cigarettes and the season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Can't you, can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Can't you, can't you? Yeah, you make me feel like we could do. Oh, you make me feel like we could do it all over again, all over again. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Jam, 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Bum, 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 bum.
So here, guys, I'm just adding my cushion covers back onto the cushions now that they're nice and clean and washed. And then once I do that, I don't think I'm going to share where I add all of them, but just one. And then I'm going to go ahead and just vacuum and clean my sectional with this amazing vacuum that I purchased from Amazon a while back, which I will link in the description box down below if you're interested. I just love it. It has a light at the bottom, so you're able to see all of the dust and debris that's on your floor, which helps you, you know, get all that stuff off your floor better because you're able to see it because of the light. And it has a few other parts that allows me to clean my sectional, as well as get all of the little crumbs and stuff out of the crevices of the sectional once you remove the cushions. And all of that extra glitter that's left over from the Christmas holidays, because you guys know there's always lots of glitter left over from the Christmas holidays. No matter how much you mop or vacuum or sweep or whatever or dust, you still always find them there. So that's what I'm doing here.
So amazing. It's the moonlight that makes me wonder why we separated. Or am I faded? You shine so bright, it's an understatement. Single is overrated. If you get too close, my baby might let you take me back. Take me back, baby.
So guys, now I'm moving on to cleansing my floor, and I love to boil about two and a half kettles of hot water and just place it in my bucket and just add a tad bit of Lysol, my go-to cleaner for my floors. It gives a nice fresh smell, and it also, I think, gives your floors a really nice good cleaning. I've been using it for a few years. I'm really loving this bucket as well because you're able to just soak your mop in the water along with your cleaning product, and then just use your feet to get rid of the excess water off of the mop. I actually want to upgrade this bucket because there is one that you can have your cleaning product with the water, and then you can have like some actual clean water in the opposite side. These buckets you can get along with the mop and refills either at Walmart, or you can also get them on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description box down below for those of you who are interested. So guys, the exciting part for me, guys, is once I get to the floor cleaning and cleansing and mopping the floors, I know we're at the finish line and it's almost time to start just decorating and putting your space back in order and getting it all nice and pretty, cozy, and just looking lovely. So yeah, I'm going for like a really nice sort of minimal look over the Christmas holidays. You know that we have so much decor all over the space, so it sort of looks kind of crowded. So I'm actually so glad to get back to this transitional phase where we are transitioning from the Christmas to the winter season and just having, you know, less things in the space, just giving it a nice light and sort of airy feeling. So that's what I'm most excited about. Even though I enjoyed my Christmas and I just loved having all of the beautiful decorative holiday decor, I really love getting back to the more simplistic and sort of minimal looking space. So that's what I'm going for. I'm still going to be adding a lot of pillows to my sectional because I'm a pillow girl and I just love my pillows. But yeah, just getting back to that airy feeling and just having the space light and airy. I love that. Well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed today's clean and decorate and how I've cozied up my living room for the winter. I hope I gave you some inspiration and some motivation to, you know, get your holiday decor down and just get back to the basics like how I've done. Please don't forget to like, share, and comment. It really helps out the channel and the algorithm. It just lets YouTube know that you are enjoying my videos and it'll be recommended to others. As well as, I just love how everything has turned out. It's nice and cozy, back to the basics of my black and white. Didn't do much changes, just changed out the some of the pillow covers from the black and gold and just added some texture and some coziness to the sectional. I added some cherry blossoms to my coffee table just to bring in a little bit of softness with all of the greenery that's around, and that's pretty much it. If you want to know where things are from, definitely watch some other cleaning and decorating videos of my living/family room and you can find out where things are from. Thanks for tuning in. Have a beautiful and blessed day, and subscribe, double tap your bell to get notified. And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.